Stop. You just missed the gains. While you were looking at that token and thinking, should I buy or not? The bot already bought it, pumped 300%, and sold. All of that in 50 milliseconds. I'm not joking. Today I'm going to show you a tool that literally changed the way I trade on Solana. This is PumpFun Sniper. Let's go. Alright, let's get straight to the point. I've already opened the website. The first thing that stands out is the clean, minimalistic interface. No clutter, no overload. Everything is exactly where it should be. PumpFun Sniper is a sniper trading bot for Pump.Fun on the Solana blockchain. If you don't know what a sniper bot is, here's a simple explanation. When a new token launches, the first seconds are gold. Whoever gets in first makes the gains. Whoever is late buys the top. That's exactly what this tool is for. The bot detects new tokens almost instantly. Execution speed is under 50 milliseconds. That's faster than you can blink. Let's see how it works live. So I go to the site. Registration takes literally a minute. No unnecessary steps. Connect your wallet and you're in. I set up the bot parameters. There are several presets. I recommend balanced. For starters, 2 to 3 Solana is suggested. You can also choose any AI agent that suits you. Everything is intuitive. Even if you're new, you won't get confused. I hit start. And there it is, the first trade. The bot caught a new token just seconds after it appeared. I didn't even finish my coffee, and it's already in position. Now that's speed. While the bot is running, let me tell you about a feature that actually saves money. This is AI-based token security analysis. The system automatically checks every new token before buying, analyzes the creator wallet, holder concentration, freeze functions, and rug pull indicators. Look, the bot just skipped a token. Why? Because the algorithm detected suspicious creator activity. Without this protection, I could have lost money on another scam. Instead, we just skip the junk and move on. Meanwhile, the second trade just closed in profit, plus 47% in a few minutes. The bot exited automatically via take profit. I didn't do anything, just watching. Look at this beautiful dashboard. All trades in real time, P&L for each token, win rate, overall stats. You always see the full picture. How much you made, how many trades, average performance. The bot runs like clockwork. While we're talking, it has already made several trades. It's not me trading. It's the system working. Now let's check out other sections of the platform. This is the referral program, and it's actually interesting. You just share your referral link with friends and earn a percentage of their trading. Passive income just for telling someone about a solid tool. If you're active in crypto communities, this is a whole extra income stream. No complicated conditions, no levels, everything is simple and transparent. Next tab, support, and this is important. Support works 24/7. Not a bot, but real people. I tested it myself, sent a message at 2 a.m., got a fast and helpful reply. In crypto, speed of problem solving is critical. The market doesn't wait. Having support always available is a huge advantage, especially for beginners who need help with setup. While we're watching, another trade just closed. Again, profit. The bot is stable. Now about something important. Security. Your private key is never required and never sent to servers. It's processed locally in your browser and used only to sign transactions. No storage, no access to your funds by the platform. You stay in full control of your assets. For me, this was one of the key reasons I trusted the service. Let's sum up this session. Look at the screen. During the time we recorded this video, the bot executed dozens of trades with almost no involvement from me. I just watched. The stats, the vast majority of trades are profitable. A few small losses, that's normal, it's the market. But the overall result, it's impressive. Even I didn't expect this from a single session. That's what it means to operate at machine speed, not manually. No magic, just technology doing what humans physically can't, reacting in 50 milliseconds without emotions. Final verdict, PumpFun Sniper isn't just another flashy wrapper with empty promises. It's a working tool that I personally use. What do you get? Execution speed under 50 milliseconds. AI protection against scams and rug pulls, clean analytics and real-time P&L tracking, a referral system with passive income, 24/7 live support, and most importantly, full security of your funds. This is a tool for those who want to trade smart, not just get lucky. The link to the site is in the description right now. Go check it out, register, and see it for yourself. No hidden fees, no complicated setup, just jump in and try. If this video was helpful, hit like, it helps the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. There's a lot more coming on crypto tools. And drop a comment. Have you tried sniper bots? What were your results? Let's discuss. See you in the next video. Bye.